Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture, and for everybody that send me something like this, go ahead and send me the file, the Corel file, the vector file, because I had to recreate this. But it's good. I made it. But his problem is when he contours to the inside contour has square corners. So we're going to do this a couple of ways. I'm going to open up under effects and contour. I'm going to contour the inside. I measured it. The wall thickness is 0.37 there or thereabout. It's fuzzy, so I can't really get it perfect like a vector. There's actually saying 0.39. So we'll go with that. And the main problem is you need to end up with this basic shape after you're done. But we're going to contour to the inside point. Well, we'll go ahead and do that 0.39. And see, it's got square corners. And it's also, my rendition has a little, whenever you contour, it extends, it multiplies the flaws. Whoops. It multiplies the flaws. So like I didn't even notice it, but I've got some little bitty, when I did this, I'm going to just like delete that node and delete that node. And really, that's pretty good. But let's go contour the inside again. And we get these square corners, even though we're going to pick this time round corners. And we're still going to get square corners. So what I do in this case is I don't contour the inside. I contour the outside that size. And now everything's got rounded corners, but we're bigger than we should be. So what I would suggest is go up to object, break contour apart, and then go ahead and group them together. And that's why I made a copy of this. So I need to make this thing with my ratio. You know what? Let's keep our ratio locked at first. 3.866. You see we're at 2.95 thick. So if we unlock our ratio, we could go 2.767. And that should be the original size of his item. Can't really tell too much. Let me hit P, put it in the center of the page. This isn't going to probably be in the center of the page because it's a picture of it. But that's how you get rounded corners on the inside. You actually contour to the outside first. I guess this radius is so small that Corel is just going to make it a sharp corner. So this is the same gentleman that was going to put a rope border around the belt buckle. So I'm guessing this is another belt buckle. Anyway, hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.